I am William Prouty, aka Nexus. This is the arena where my YouTube mods go head to head with the dangerous killers and monsters of across fiction. Tonight matchup is the Clash of Nations of Power versus the Deluge Chaos. Catherine Bert, the Spirit Candle, the gift of the full of Miracle Nation. Environment resource mastery, command over vast natural landscapes, and her water dominance, a northern energy force. Heart led the diplomacy compress as the weapon or a peace and emotional influence. Resist and durability thrives in brutal, cold, and immune to harsh environments. Symbol of power, embodying agriculture and unity and legal stability and global trust, and connector United Bridges and Hero Forge. And Denji, the Chainsaw Man, a walking massacre filled with blood, human strength, superhuman strength, speed and durability, immoral and regeneration, chainsaw, and let me get round one. Catherine materialized with frost and northern rights, and Denji by his own business until Catherine strikes. She launches the first attack with a Maple Leaf Punch, a blow match with the Nation Pride, and Element Force. Denji grab his chainsaw cord and raw into Chainsaw Man and play a light. They blind Ice and versus Steel, Diplomacy versus Devil. Back and forth, they clash. Catherine by mastery ground and Denji tear through the obstacle brutally. Denji regenerate can't keep up with the overpowered nation, and Catherine full spirit of Canada into one final aura charge attack. A single blow to the head. Denji drop Catherine stand tall. She hums "O Canada" over the fallen chains saw devil. Catherine Bert wins. Have a good day. This is it. Bye.